You give us your problems and we solve it together. So now, fill me in with your questions.
Okay, then take this. State briefly and concisely 5 targets you will set for yourself if you are made Hall President.
Good question, Professor. Sanitation and general cleanliness is priority on my agenda. I'm already in touch with the head porters and some of the chief laborers. So by the time I get to power, the rapport I have created, Sun City is going to enjoy the best of sanitation. And next is the refurbishment of the JCR.
JCR?
Will you allow him to answer the question?
Professor, all work and no play makes us dull.
Yes, sir.